Hello students, look at this question. If y is equal to cos x whole power x plus tan inverse root x, then find dy by dx. So this is the previous board exam question. In 2020 they asked and in 2017 also they asked. So this is a 4 marks question. Very important. Okay, let us discuss solution for this one. So what we have in this question? We have y is equal to cos x whole power x plus tan inverse root x. If you observe here, the first function is in the form of cos x whole power x. This cos x whole power x term, if we consider as a single variable or single function, for that we have a standard formula from logarithms. What is the standard formula? Look at this. E power log m base e is equal to m. That means the base of the function and logarithmic base both are same. What is the term or function we have here? That only our answer. Okay, so by using this property, how we can write? Look at this. Y is equal to this term if we consider as m. By using this property, e power log of cos x whole power x. We can write this one like this. Okay, the second term tan of root x as it is. There is no change in that. Okay, now if you observe here, the power of e is in the form of log of cos x whole power x. That means it is in the form of log a power m. So what is the formula for log a power m? Log a power m is equal to m log a. Now by applying that property, what we will get? Y is equal to e power x log of cos x plus the second term tan inverse root x as it is. Now differentiate this function with respect to x. Now if you observe this function, y is equal to e power x log of cos x. That means the power of e x log of cos x, if we consider as x, then clearly it is in the form of e power x. So we know what is the formula for e power x. So what is the formula for derivative of e power x? E power x only. Now if you observe the second term here, tan inverse of root x. Root x if we consider as x, then this is in the form of tan inverse x. Then what is the derivative of tan inverse x? Tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now by using these two formulas, I am going to differentiate the given function. Look at here, the derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to e power x derivative is e power x. That means e power x log of cos x into which function we considered as x, that function derivative. That means d by dx of x log of cos x plus the derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. What is x here? Root x. That means root x whole square into which function we considered as x, that function derivative. That is equal to e power. If you observe here, the power of e is in the form of x into log of cos x. If we consider this as m log a is nothing but log a power m. So by using this property, the power of e we can write as cos x whole power x. So e power log of cos x whole power x into, if you observe here, we have product of two functions. So we have a property for d by dx of f of x into g of x. So what is the property for d by dx of f of x into g of x? This one. If you observe here, what is the derivative of root x? The derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. By applying these two formulas, what we will get next? Look at this. First function, the derivative of product of two functions. First function into derivative of second function. That means d by dx of log of cos x plus second function log of cos x into d by dx of first function. What is the first function here? X plus 1 by, if you observe here, 1 by 1 plus root x whole square is nothing but x into the derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, that is equal to, now if you observe here again, e power log m. So e power log m base e is nothing but m. So by using this identity, what we can get for this? We can get for this step cos x whole power x. Cos x whole power x. And here the derivative of log of cos x, this cos x if we consider as x, then clearly it is in the form of log x. Then what is the derivative of log x? The derivative of log x is 1 by x. And here derivative of x, what is the derivative of x? 1. So by using these formulas, what we will get the next step? See here, cos x whole power x, cos x whole power x into, here I am considering cos x as x, then it will become like this, log x derivative is 1 by x, that means 1 by cos x into derivative of which function we considered as x, that function derivative, plus log of cos x into, derivative of x is 1 plus 1 by 2 root x into 1 plus x. Numerator part is 1 into 1, denominator part 2 root x into 1 plus x. Okay, now if you observe here, d by dx of cos x, what is the derivative of cos x? The derivative of cos x is minus sin x. If we apply this formula, then what we will get the next step? Look at here, that is equal to cos x whole power x into 1 by cos x into the derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus log of cos x as it is, plus the last term 1 by 2 root x into 1 plus x as it is, there is no change, that is equal to cos x whole power x into, here minus into x minus x, sin x by cos x is tan x, sin x by cos x is tan x, plus log of cos x plus 1 by 2 root x into 1 plus x. So therefore, what is the final answer for the given function? That is, what is the derivative of the given function? The final step is therefore dy by dx is equal to cos x whole power x into positive term I am going to write first, that means log of cos x minus x tan x plus the second term as it is, that means 1 by 2 root x into 1 by x. So this is our final answer, that means this is a derivative of the given function. I hope you understand.